How to paint your home ceilings easily and properly. Painting your home's ceilings may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be a simple and rewarding project. In this article, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you paint your home's ceilings easily and properly. Prepare the room. Before you start painting, you'll want to prepare the room properly. Remove all furniture, rugs, and other items from the room, or at least move them to the center of the room and cover them with plastic sheeting. You'll also want to cover the floors with drop cloths or plastic sheeting to protect them from paint splatters. Choose the right paint. Choosing the right paint is crucial to the success of your painting project. You'll want to choose a paint that is specifically designed for ceilings, as these paints are typically formulated to be splatter resistant and to dry evenly. Matte or flat paints are a good choice for ceilings, as they will help to hide imperfections and give your ceilings a smooth, uniform finish. Use the right tools. Using the right tools will make your painting project much easier and more efficient. A roller with an extension pole will allow you to reach high ceilings without having to climb on a ladder. Use a high-quality roller cover that is designed for use on ceilings, as this will help to prevent drips and splatters. A paintbrush can be useful for cutting in around the edges of the ceiling and around light fixtures. Start with the edges. Start by cutting in around the edges of the ceiling with a paintbrush. This will help to create a clean line between the ceiling and the walls. Use a steady hand and take your time to ensure that the line is straight and even. Roll the ceiling. Once you have cut in around the edges, it's time to roll the ceiling. Start in one corner of the room and work your way across the ceiling, using long, even strokes. Be sure to roll in one direction only, and avoid going back over areas that have already been painted. This will help to prevent drips and streaks. Apply a second coat. After the first coat has dried, you may want to apply a second coat for added coverage and a more even finish. Be sure to wait for the first coat to dry completely before applying the second coat. Clean up. Once you have finished painting, it's important to clean up properly. Remove any plastic sheeting from the floors and furniture, and dispose of any used paint cans and rollers according to local regulations. Clean your brushes and rollers with soap and water, and allow them to dry completely before storing them. In conclusion, painting your home's ceilings can be a simple and rewarding project when done correctly. By following these tips and tricks, you can achieve a professional-looking finish that will last for years to come.